Air travel, of course, will cost more, with most of those airlines setting ready to jack up fares. That's Kingfisher Airline for you, up 5%. Jet Airways is also looking strong in trade, up 5%. Let me go across to Samir Hashmi to really get a sense of how much more expensive air travelers will really find their tickets to be. Samir.
That's right, Shivani. Air travelers will have to shell out more, at least 10% come September, mid-September and October. Now, this hike was in the offing, given that the traffic numbers have been looking quite good. Even the July numbers, if you look at that, have come out yesterday. The traffic has been up 14% year on year. Even in January, the June season, we have seen the traffic has surged by 20%. This year, you have seen 30 million travelers, air travelers have traveled as far as the domestic circuit is concerned, which is up by 20%. So these were the biggest factors that have contributed, and obviously all the airlines are anticipating that airfares, the demand would go up into September and October. In fact, the 9th September weekend, which is a long weekend, given there is a holiday, has already seen the airfares have gone up. So mid-September is when we'll see our airfare hike of up to 10%, and all the airlines across the board, starting up with Air India, Jet Airways, Kingfisher, SpiceJet, Indigo, are planning an increase between 5 to 10%. Even our sources from international airlines are telling us that they are also contemplating an air hike, because international air traffic numbers have also gone up. So clearly, across the board, you'll see airfare going up from mid-September onwards till the season time that ends February.